Hello, my name is Shay Smith, and this is me talking about my language learner and what I did with her. When I originally did my testing for her, I found out that she didn't really know a lot of vocabulary and she didn't know how to like switch verbs into different tenses, and that also translated into using the wrong pronouns. And so to help her with that, I came up with three different lessons. I talked to the one of the teachers at the school that helps with the ELL students, and she gave me a couple different things that I could do. And so what I decided is that for one of the things is I would go like pick a bunch of different questions to have her answer. So there was a sheet with a bunch of questions on it, and so I would just ask her the questions, then have her answer those questions out loud. And then if she didn't answer them correctly in English or just used wrong pronunciations or wrong tenses, I would just correct her and then we would move on. And so with that, we did that. On another one, I also had her answer the questions and write them down. And so that way, I think that helped her a little bit more because she can't always hear the difference between some of the vowel sounds between Spanish and English, and she hasn't quite figured that out yet. So all in all, I think it went well, and I look forward to continue working with her.